bebua ye nyina Nananom. The other area me per se a good relationship between the government and Nananom, government and the chiefs. Nananom usha so far ye tikakra as far as our governance is concerned. Ye involve chiefs no enough in the governance of the country. We present Mrs. Sano because as it is right now, the chiefs are powerless in many areas. They can't even summon people. We need to change. We present amend Section 63D of the Chieftaincy Act to empower the chiefs to help government to govern this country. So we need to empower the chiefs to help government. And empowering the chiefs is not only to change the law, but to financially resource the chiefs. Financially resource the palaces mo palaces ningina muntini nye ejuma ya pesa mo yeno. So the parliament chiefs are paid 1,000 cedis. Enkozi baby 1,000 cedis. It's not going anywhere. Petrol is difficult for that to attend meetings. My manifesto team, we've looked at all of it. We are saying that we have to pay living allowances to the paramount chiefs, and not stop there, but to the divisional chiefs and the queen mothers, so that we can have a complete chieftaincy institutional that is empowered to help government. So resources no ebebua Nananom.